Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a short video actually. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you something in the Windows 7 simulator. So as you can see, we are in the Windows 7 simulator. I forgot to show this in the first video I did on this. I'll have a link to the first video in the description if you missed it. But if I can have cards like in the video, I will have a card. So let me just show you no, this was already a feature. I'm gonna make another video on the new features in this. So yeah, but for right now we're just going to click on restart here, and as you can see it will restart the simulator. And as you can see, you have this BIOS setup. Let me just click this and then click hide. Now there's ads in this, and if you try to use ad blocker, it won't work. So anyways, you can go to advanced, and there's a couple of features here. You can do instant boot, which will skip the boot screen and quickly get into Windows, but however, I don't recommend you enabling this option because you might not be able to go into the BIOS again, or the BIOS on the website. You can change this to whatever you want, or you can enable the dummy installer, which I will show you for. Let me just demo this. So if I click exit saving changes, and then click OK here, and let me just hide this as well. So let's just wait for this to load. It will not boot straight into there. It will seem like it's actually booting into there, but you will see what I mean. So yeah, we're gonna and here we go. We are in the installer thingy. This actually looks decent for an installer. You can see, yeah, they've done a nice job here. We click next, and this actually seems pretty realistic, to be honest. So let's click install now, and you see it actually does have the setup is starting, and it has its own license terms, which you can read if you want, but I think they just Control C, Control V this, and then they just I think they just copied and pasted this, but they changed the normal Windows 7 to this. So I'm just gonna click I accept and then next. There's no upgrade option anyway, so we're gonna click custom. Uh, yeah, so apparently it thinks that there's a 500 gig drive, which there is not. There's a 1 TB hard drive in the computer I'm running right now. So you can click refresh, you can click load driver, it won't do anything. Uh, there's no drive options. You can't use the drive options. There is nothing in drive options. And as you can see, it somehow takes time to copy the files. Now normally this would be instant, but yeah. Uh, so yeah, it would normally be instant, but it's not instant. So we just gotta wait here. Now, there's gonna be a part of the installation which it just asks you to reboot, like right here. All right. So for some reason, this entire thing is already here, so we're just gonna restart. And look. Let me just close the hide system. So it might seem like it's gonna continue the setup. You might think it will actually continue the setup. It will, continue it, and you'll be able to do it. But no, it just boots us back into the setup here, and if we uh, close it and exit the installation, then we're already logged in, and as you can see, we were just here. But I'm gonna show you that other feature that you guys probably saw in the BIOS. So we're just gonna restart the computer here, or I mean not the computer, the simulator. Go back to advanced. We're gonna just hide this. And then you can change this from Windows 7 to whatever you want. So let's just change this to XP here, and then we click OK. And then let's exit saving changes, and then we click OK again. And let's hide this quickly. And now, as you can see, wait, what? Okay, so for some reason it didn't do it this time. Oh wait, I know why it didn't do it this time. Because we're in the installer. Yeah. See, this is just crazy. All right, so there needs to be. So we're gonna have to restart again. And while we're at that, let me just change the theme. Oh yeah, they added some new themes as well. They added like these themes. They also added Kubuntu. You can now use Kubuntu, which is now an option in here. I don't know if I covered that. But let's just change it to Windows XP and then we'll restart and then I'll turn off that so then we can actually see what happens. Alright, so let's just close. No, wait, no, I maximized it. Let's just close that. Oh, wait, we're not done yet because we didn't do it correctly. Alright, so we're gonna. Oh, yeah, you can also change the mouse pointers now. So now you can change it to Windows Standard if you want. And if you click OK, this looks a lot like Windows XP, actual Windows XP, because look at the mouse cursor now. Yeah, that's one of the cool features. So if we click restart here, it will restart and it plays the nice Windows XP login sound. Let's go to advanced here and then let's turn off the dummy installer and then we'll change that. Alright, and now we can just hide this and it should. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, it is now saying that it's loading Windows XP. And what's great is you can just choose the guest account, which I was logged into. Yeah, and this actually this is actually pretty nice now. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to do in the video, and that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna shut this down. So yeah, bye guys.